So, hi guys. Ito na yung aking salad. So, ang unang nilagay ko ay Roman lettuce. Sumunod ang organic quinoa. Sumunod ang root beets. Then, apple. And then, adobong chicken, leftover. And then, olive and cherry tomato. So, ayan na guys. Ito yung lunch ko for 3 days. So, prep lang to guys So, ayan. Naka-ready na for few days. So, ayan. Ilalagay ko na lang sa aking baunan. Diba? Napaka-simple at napakadali guys. So, and napaka-healthy. Of course, ito yung aking gagamitin na salad dressing. Ayan na guys. So, enjoy and thank you for watching. So, hope to see you again and have fun. Diba? Have fun lang guys and have a good day and God bless us all. Hope you like it and enjoy. Bye.